a lot of glue to protect our papers. And then, as you can see, we will choose the different papers to make the finish. As you can see, this is 200, and this one is maybe 400, and then this one is around 1,000. And different texture, it means that we can make the surface more smooth, and then I will show you later. As you can see, this part is very small, but if you want to make them more beautiful, and we will spend more time on that. And this is the vertical steps. Using some clean water.